Hi dear students, how are you? Fine, I hope so. Let's start our today's lesson, which is very interesting lesson. Okay, what is that? Again about equality, but second part of equality, identity. As I told you, equalities are divided into equations and identities. In the past two videos or lessons, you studied about equations and one type of equation, linear equation. But today, the third lesson is going to be taught about what? Identity. What is identity? Identity is an equation which is true for all the numbers in a set. Which is true for all the numbers in a set. So, what was the equation? It was for sum, the difference. Okay? So, type 1. We are going to study about the identity. And by the end of this class, you will understand what is identity and you will get more information. The first type, if you have this type of identity, a plus b whole to the power of n. These are examples of this. So, a plus b whole to the power of 0. What are a and b? A and b can be any real number. Okay? So, a plus b whole to the power of 0 is what? 1. Okay? 1. An example. I can give you two numbers. For example, a 2 and b 3. 2 plus 3 whole to the power of 0. 5 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 by the power property. Okay? And in here, a plus b whole to the power of 1. So any number to the power of 1 is again itself. It means again I can write a plus b. But in here, look at this. The power of this is 2. It means that as the rule of power, what should you do? You have to divide it into 2. It means now the bases are equal. What are the power? 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. If I multiply this, I can get the answer. Okay? Now, at first I multiply a to both of them. A multiple a is a square plus a multiple b is ab plus. Now the second one, b multiple a. B multiple a is ba plus b multiple b square. Now how many? AB and BA are equal because of properties, yeah? So multiplication property. It can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. And this is a minus b. That is your job to multiply and you will find just the difference answer, okay? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Divide them into 2 like this and multiply, you can get this because you studied multiplication. In order to understand these concepts, it is better to do an example. Okay? Use identity type 1 and simplify this one. Okay. In here, I rewrite the question 2x plus y whole to the power of 2. Solution. Okay, what do you think? It can be as the a plus b. It can be a and it can be b. How about the sign? Positive. Okay, it is whole to the power of 2. As you studied now, a plus b whole to the power of 2 is how much? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay? Now, I can compare this with this. Okay? 2x plus y whole to the power of 2. A square, it means how much is a? 2x to the power of 2 plus 2 multiple. How much is a? 2x multiple. How much is b? Y plus b square, it means y square. I can simplify that. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. X to the power of 2 is x2. X to the power of 2 plus 2 multiple 2, 4. X multiple y, xy plus, what is next? Y square. Okay? And it is the answer. You can write 2x plus y whole to the power of 2 is this. Okay? So, you can do lots of examples. Just look at this example, that if you understand that this is a and this is b, whole to the power of. I do one more example for you. For example, x minus y whole to the power of 2 is how much? Okay? What is a in here? At first, it should be at the type of a minus b whole to the power of 2. It is a and it is b. So, what is the a square? A square, x minus y whole to the power of 2. A square, what is this? X square. This is positive, but in here we have negative. So, minus 2. AB, what is A? X. What is B? Y. Plus, okay? B square. So what is in here? B. B square, it means y square. So this is the answer. Okay, dear students, now remember that we have different types of identities, and I have written two types of identities more, that a square minus b square is equal to this, and if it is positive, it is equal to that. And it is your job that multiply these two ones, that do you get this answer or no? And it was all for today. Best of luck. Wish you all the best.